Hey there, fellow humans. Welcome to our channel. Today, we're going to talk about the top 5 worst flaws to use AI. From creating fake news to causing job loss, AI can be a double-edged sword. So, let's dive in and find out what not to do when it comes to using AI. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is kind of like that fancy new blender you got for your birthday. It's shiny and impressive, but if you're not careful, it can turn into a disaster. So let's take a closer look at some of the potential downsides. First off, one of the most concerning downsides of AI is job loss. AI can steal our jobs faster than a kleptomaniac in a candy store. Seriously, have you seen those robot factory workers? They're putting hard-working humans out of a job faster than you can say, unemployment benefits. And don't even get me started on AI-powered self-driving cars. Sure, they're convenient, but they're also putting cab drivers and truckers out of work. If we're not careful, we'll end up living in a world where the only jobs left are tech support for the robots. Next up, privacy. AI is like that nosy neighbor who's always peeking through your curtains. It can collect data on you faster than you can say, Big Brother is watching. And it's not just the obvious stuff, like your search history and social media activity. AI can analyze your facial expressions, track your movements, and even predict your behavior based on your past actions. It's like having a stalker who's really good at math. Plus, AI is making it easier than ever to spread fake news and misinformation. It's like that one friend who always tells you outrageous stories that you're pretty sure are made up, but you don't want to call them out on it. With AI-generated deepfake videos and text-generating algorithms, it's getting harder and harder to separate fact from fiction. Pretty soon we'll be living in a world where nothing is real, and everything is just a simulation. And let's not forget about safety. Sure, AI can make driving and other tasks easier, but have you seen what happens when those machines malfunction? It's like that time your friend got stuck in the automatic car wash, but way more dangerous. Just ask anyone who's ever been trapped in a self-checkout line at the grocery store. AI might be smarter than us, but it's not always better. Also, have you noticed how much we rely on AI these days? It's like we're all addicted to it, like a bunch of tech junkies. Pretty soon we'll be checking into AI rehab to kick the habit. It's not just the obvious stuff, like our phones and computers. It's also the smart speakers, fitness trackers, and smart thermostats. We're living in a world where even our toothbrushes have Bluetooth. It's enough to make you want to unplug and move to a cabin in the woods. And finally, let's not forget that AI is expensive. Like, really expensive. It's like that luxury sports car you've always wanted, except instead of a car, it's a piece of technology that you'll have to keep paying for. Sure, some of the benefits of AI are worth the cost, but do we really need a smart fridge that can order groceries for us? Or a robot that can do our laundry? At some point, we have to ask ourselves if the convenience is worth the price. So, AI is both a blessing and a curse. It can make our lives easier, but it can also make them more complicated. It can save us time, but it can also waste it. It can be our friend, but it can also be our enemy. The key is to use AI wisely and to remember that no matter how smart the machines get, we're still the ones in control. And don't forget to unplug every once in a while. Thanks for watching and see you at the next one.